Dala threatens to kill Mtunzi while Hloso wants him to stay away from Madlomo. That time Mtunzi has turned over a new leaf and is now a praying man. Vuyi tells Poet that he needs to cut his hair. While she sidelines Toriso, making her feel left out. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So Mtunzi is now a praying man, and Hloso pays him a visit to warn him to stay away from his family, telling him, I don't know what you're planning, but I heard you at my house and all that. Mtunzi explains, actually the church is helping me, I found peace. Hloso does not believe any of these things and says that Mtunzi must stay away from Umadlomo. How? Hloso, is this him being concerned or being worried that Umadlomo might fall from Mtunzi? Anyway, Tapelo tells Ndala, have you realized that ever since Mtunzi came back, this whole thing started resurfacing, the whole thing about the case, and gives him that idea which maybe Mtunzi is the one that's planning the whole thing because he has got a grudge on him. And then Ndala asks Hloso about whether where Mtunzi is and whether Mtunzi was acquainted to Pablo back in prison. But Hloso doesn't seem to remember them being acquainted. But then Ndala decides he's just going to go and see Mtunzi and question him himself, in reminding him, because I told you not to set foot here again, but here you are. And now you are talking to Pablo. Mtunzi reassures him, because I've never set foot in prison. I've never seen Pablo ever since I got out. So it's definitely not me. And then Ndala warns him, because I'm going to kill you if by somehow you're involved in any of these things. Now Pablo in prison is busy singing, telling Captain Cohen all the details about Tukulo Sindane being the mastermind of the heist that they did with Otlamul. And then Poet is busy celebrating at his house with the family, Li Pototo. Toriso is just sitting there looking sad because I don't think she's very happy about this whole deal. And then Poet learns that he has to cut his hair. His mother's like, it's just hair, man, it doesn't matter. But Poet has attached a whole lot of meaning to his hair. And then Vuyi makes Toriso feel left out, even telling him to excuse them because now they're discussing business. Hanti Vuyi is already flirting with Poet, even telling him that he needs to cut his hair because it doesn't associate with the brand, and convinces him that it's okay, he'll be fine, he's going to make him a star. Guys, all this time, this girl wants to flirt Poet Toriso. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.